Die Ernährungspyramide. Ernährungs is nutrition, and that's pyramid, so nutritional pyramid. When we're looking at this nutritional pyramid, we're going to have different categories of food, and we'll go through them. You'll also notice it's going to talk about like the amount. So how much of something should we have? So zum Beispiel here is, you'd put in a number here, like ein oder 2 bis 3 pro Woche, 2 to 3 per week, or pro Tag, per day. A Stück is a piece. Mindestens, at least, zweimal täglich, at least 2 times a day. So those would be things that you would sort of fill in depending upon the amounts that you would need. Other ways to talk about amounts would include things like reichlich, reich, like rich, a lot, so plenty of or freely. Mäßig, moderately. Sparsam, there's the spar, if that helps, sparingly. You might also see mehrmals, like multiple times, literally like more times a day. And you'll notice as we go through different types of food, you can always have food that is gesund or ungesund, healthy or unhealthy food. So let's go ahead and take a look at our actual types of food here in our Ernährungspyramide. So let me erase those notes and let's start at the top. So at the top of the pyramid would be things you would eat a little of versus the things that tend to be at the bottom, which would be more. And there's also like lots of different types of nutritional pyramids. This is just ein Beispiel, one example. So, also sparsam would be tierische Fett, animal fats. I would also include like oil. Süßigkeiten oder Süßwaren, sweets or candies. Fleisch und Eier und Milch und Milchprodukte und Fisch. All of these are in a category called Eiweiß or protein. So these would be the protein types of food. So Fleisch, Hühner, Rinderfleisch, Steak und so weiter. Eier, eggs, Milch und Milchprodukte, zum Beispiel Käse, Joghurt, Milch. Fische, Forelle, Lachs. I would also guess seafood, Meeresfrüchte, zum Beispiel Hummer, lobster would be included in that as well. So the protein category here. Mindestens 2 bis 3 Mal täglich, so per day, would be Gemüse und 2 Mal täglich Obst, so fruits and vegetables. Tomate, Kürbis, Brokkoli, Karotten oder Möhren, Apfelsine, Apfel, Kirsche, Banane, so fruits and vegetables. Then we get to the Getreideprodukte. Getreideprodukte are the carbohydrates. Mehrmals täglich. Zum Beispiel Brot, Teigwaren, Kartoffeln, Nudeln, Hülsenfrüchte, some of the nuts. Teigwaren, kind of the baked goods. Teig is dough. And Getränke. So hier steht mindestens 1,5 Liter täglich. So I'm just trying to write that out. Remember, that's a comma in German. Instead of a period like we would do in the United States. So Wasser ohne Gas oder Leitungswasser, Mineralwasser, Saft, And this I find interesting. The image shows soda, but also a lot of sodas are sugary, so that should be avoided. But this just happens to be the image. But definitely you want to stay hydrated. So here are a few fun facts about the Ernährungspyramide. If you're doing this for notes for class and you have this image, you're going to want to make sure that you write down things, write down words. Also make sure you know what all of these words to the left mean, of course, as well. So be sure to include all of that information in your notes. Danke.